ESKAPO TV here, and we're on bicycles. The fellow ESKAPO Riders back there, having a morning ride, going to Palma. And then for breakfast we'll have some Goto and some barako. Come on, let's go! Pinahangin ka yan. Oop. Anong sira nito? Wala naman, no?
Para matagal na rin yung bike mo. Pinalitan ko na interior. Tapos pinapalan ko yung loob ng goma. Palma. Medyo, no?
Oo.
Kaya pa naman, no?
Light ride naman. Okay. Picture ko lang. Mag-picture ko. That view. There goes the Lagua. Hi everyone, welcome to ESKAPO TV, and today we are biking to Palma. It's a beautiful day, nice clear weather, a little bit of clouds. Gotta get that heart pumping. So we're working out, enjoying, and we're in for a treat. We're gonna be having barako and Goto. Come on, we'll ride first. Bagwa.
Padyak naman!
Padyak. First timers kasi. And pinaka first practice. Gotta keep on training in order to keep up with the lugs. Woo! Man. Oh my gosh. I too have zero training. I'm trying to keep up, but that explains it. Gotta keep on biking. Bike early in the morning, finish early. Sige motor. Pagkatapos mag-biking dapat, right? Woo! Oh my gosh. I love this right there. All the way up there. Hey. Hey. Alright. Nice view. 1, 2. Anyway, really tiring. Really tiring. But it feels good. Feels good. Work out your heart, which is the most important muscle to work out. Especially, you know, the way we eat. We eat a lot of cholesterol and a lot of the good stuff. So, with a healthy balance of exercise, we can eat virtually everything you want. And you know, a little bit about Goto. I think this Goto place has brain in it, which is more cholesterol. My, I have to take it easy, but let's go check it out. One thing that's really cool about the 2 wheels is you get to go to virtually wherever you want, wherever you can, on a nice piece of machinery, whether it's pedaling or with a motor. That's one of the cool things about 2 wheels is you have, especially a bike, you have the exercise, you have the gala, you can go, you know, everywhere. You can make pasyal. You have the food trip because what everybody has to eat, of course. And that's one of the cool things about biking. Also, you have that exercise, which really promotes cardiovascular health, promotes good stamina, and it's just downright good for you. So, biking, food trip, exercise, gala, you name it, biking is so much fun. We made it! Alright. Bhabes Gotohan Batangas. Festive place. Goto naman.
Ano pangalan nun nung kasama natin?
At one. Libreng kape at this place.
Are you open this?
Shout out.
At Bhabes Gotohan and BBQ LIEMPO, and we have nice KAPENG BARAKO over here, which is really delicious. So anyway, Dylan's first time biking. I hope it's not the last.
Morning.
But what a great thing to enjoy after a nice bike ride and a
Hot coffee.
ayan. Thank you.
Bagong labas eh.
Sa UV, tatawag pa.
Hindi kasi ang BS nyo, di ba ay...
Alright, that was a really delicious breakfast. I had Goto, Liempo, and a lot of coffee here at Bhabes. Come here, it's actually, I don't know where this place is, but kung papuntang Alaminos, come over here, check it out, eat, enjoy after a bike ride. Till next time, cheers.